Go.
Okay, so in this video I'm just going to talk about how you can easily upload OneDrive files and also sort of set up your structure a little bit for your files so you know where things are. So if we go in, you can see I've already set up a structure here. I'm just going to pop into Year 11 remote revision there. Okay, so you can see we've set this up with D&T and hospitality and catering there, H&C there. Okay, now first what I'd probably do before I start sort of just putting files in is think about structure. So I'd probably set up some folders. So if I just choose new here and choose folder there, I'm just going to put something in called test there, so you can see it will pop up a folder like this, so that's stored there within the thing. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to do this. If I click on that, it's just like navigating folders on the network there, it will go inside there, okay? Now the usual way to upload documents, which is quite straightforward, is to click upload here and click files like this, and then if I just go into wherever on my drive, or on the network drive, or on Citrix, wherever you are, I'm storing these documents, so I'm just going to go into my documents. I can find the files here and click open, and it will take a little while to upload there, and then it will eventually upload the document within that area. Okay. Now another way to do this, okay, because some people have found a bit of problems uploading it like this, or if they want to upload multiple files, okay, is to just use the drag and drop way of doing this. Okay, so within the area we've got in front of us, okay, if we click the top panel, this panel here at the top like this, and we drag to the side of the screen, okay, right to the side of the screen, you see it will come up with a slight highlight of the screen like this, and it will take up exactly half of the screen there. Okay, now I can do the same with a network drive. So if I just open up any folder like this, I'm going to find out the area where I'm going to take it from, so my documents there, and I click the top of the screen there and drag it across to the other side like this. It will take up the other half of the screen. Now what I can do is just click like this and then use this window as if it was a normal network drive like this, and click and drag the document across like this. Okay, it's probably not going to let me do this because I've got a file already in there, okay, but let's see if we can create a new file like this. So just create another file next to this like this. Here we go, test copy, and I just click and drag that file across like this. It will say uploading, and there you can see we've got test copy there. Okay, now you can also do this with multiple files. So if we just do a few more copies of this file, for example, just to test the principle, I can click my first file I want to send across. I can hold down the control button and then select multiple files like this. So if I want to send those 3 files, okay, if I want to send other files that are next to each other, I can just drag the files like this to select a series of files or a batch of files, or I can click one, hold the shift key and click to the bottom like this, and then the same principles applies. I can just click there with the left mouse button, drag it across, and there it will upload all those 4 items. There they are. So the whole set of files there has been dragged across to the OneDrive folder.
Thanks, Pete.
All right.